Welcome back to the TheGridHunters, your go-to channel for crypto education and trading tips. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and explore a token that's been making waves in the industry. Get ready to learn all about the CELO token. In this video, we'll answer the most common questions about CELO and why it's worth your attention, so let's get started. But firstly, I want to emphasize that TheGridHunters is not a financial advisory service. While we love discussing financial markets, investments, and strategies, it's crucial to remember that the content we share on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you're trading any kind of cryptocurrencies, do so at your own risk. Never invest more than what you're ready to lose. If you want to never miss out on anything again in the crypto world, smash that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to join our community to keep in touch with the latest news. CELO is a cryptocurrency that operates on the CELO platform, a decentralized blockchain network designed to enable financial inclusion for everyone. Unlike traditional financial systems, CELO offers a fast, secure, and cost-effective way to transfer value globally. It's important to note that CELO is not just a currency, it also serves as the governance token of the CELO platform. With CELO, users can send money, access various decentralized applications, and even earn rewards by participating in the network's governance. The token has gained popularity due to its focus on fostering social impact and financial inclusion, making it an exciting addition to the crypto space. Moving on to question number 2. How is CELO useful to the world? CELO aims to address financial inequality by providing access to digital assets and essential financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations. Through the CELO platform, individuals can make transactions, save money, and access lending services without relying on traditional banking systems. This opens up opportunities for economic growth and empowerment in underserved communities worldwide. Additionally, CELO supports the development of decentralized applications that can have real-world impact, such as applications focused on remittances, microlending, and more. By leveraging blockchain technology, CELO enables greater transparency, security, and efficiency in financial transactions, benefiting both individuals and businesses. So you may be wondering, what problem does CELO solve? One of the key challenges CELO addresses is the lack of access to financial services for billions of people worldwide. Traditional banking systems often exclude individuals who don't meet certain criteria or live in remote areas. CELO's decentralized nature empowers individuals by providing them with a secure and accessible platform to store and transfer value. Moreover, CELO's focus on creating a fair and inclusive financial system helps combat issues like high remittance fees and limited financial opportunities for marginalized communities. By utilizing blockchain technology, CELO streamlines cross-border payments and reduces the costs associated with intermediaries, ensuring that more value reaches the intended recipients. CELO distinguishes itself from other cryptocurrencies in several ways. Firstly, its emphasis on accessibility and usability makes it a user-friendly option for individuals who are new to crypto. The CELO platform offers a mobile-first experience, enabling users to interact with digital assets easily through their smartphones. Secondly, CELO's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism allows token holders to participate in securing the network and earning rewards. This means that anyone holding CELO can actively contribute to the platform's governance and decision-making processes. Lastly, CELO's focus on social impact and financial inclusion sets it apart from many other tokens in the market. By investing in CELO, you're not only supporting a promising cryptocurrency but also contributing to a more equitable and accessible financial future for all. And now, the final question: why is CELO a good investment? While we can't provide financial advice, it's worth noting that CELO's potential lies in its unique positioning within the crypto space. With its strong emphasis on financial inclusion and social impact, CELO has the potential to attract a broad user base and drive adoption. Additionally, the ongoing development of the CELO platform and its expanding ecosystem of decentralized application presents exciting opportunities for future growth. As always, it's important to do your own research and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any financial decisions. That wraps up our video on CELO, the crypto token that's paving the way for financial inclusion and social impact. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more crypto updates and educational content. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay curious and keep exploring the world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, this is all from the TheGridHunters for today, signing off and happy trading!